Constitution of Free India. I was writing by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar was father of Indian Constitution. A constitution is longest constitution in world. A constitution is supreme law in India with 448 articles and 12 schedules. The process by 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. You know the Constitution of India?
No, we don't know. No, we don't know.
Sing first. Papa, my college trip is going to Goa. All my friends are going. Can I go? No, going. Everywhere, go inside. Papa, my college trip are going to Goa. My all friends are going to Goa. Can I go? Oh wow, my son going to Goa. Yes, beta. For then I need 10,000 rupees. Yeah, sure. Papa, this is not right. Virat is younger than me, but you gave the permission to go. Because he is a boy and you are a girl. Because this is not right. Right. Yes, you are right to go wherever you wish. Your constitution has given if from you. Man and woman are equal. Stop! Why are you breaking the signal? And where is your license? Where is your helmet? I helmet. I break. I broke the signal. Where is your license? My uncle is alone. One called the suspect you. Your uncle may be a money but rules are same to everyone. Yes, is correct rule. Equal are upper cost and lower cost. हेल्मेट वापरा जीव वाचवा. Hey you! If you can't walk, and why are you walking on the road? I am a blind. I cannot see. You are not see. So because I am a blind, I cannot go anywhere outside. Can't I be anywhere outside? Can't be treated as equal. Yes. Our right equality of everyone. Or a right equality one takes if you from. So, the Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar is the freedom. You know the Indian Constitution of India?
Yes, we know the Constitution of India.
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.